Hello guys, welcome back with the third puzzle. Third puzzle in this additional with extra puzzles and Sudokus in today's newspaper on Tuesday. Tuesday, August the 3rd, 2021. We have two puzzles left, a tectonic and a binary. Yes, and first I will solve this binary. Boys and girls, yes. This one will be a number. Let me see. 319. Oh, yes. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O, here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Alright. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright. Double one, here no, there no. Then, let me see. Interesting. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Alright. Then. How about, let me see. We need to compare? That's the question. Let me see. How about complicated, but we found one. Yes. These 2 columns. Let me compare. 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box. 0 0 1 1 empty box. 0 0. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Alright, double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Okay. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Okay. Then between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Finish in 4 minutes. Alright, boys and girls. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the last puzzle, a tectonic one with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.